QLean is a health monitoring and reporting tool designed to automate QRadar's admin and analyst routines and extract data which is unavailable through the standard QRadar interface and other monitoring applications. The tool captures data from multiple sources such as API calls, configuration databases, log files, etc., transforms it into a readable format and presents it in a convenient user interface as well as Excel reports and JSON files. These can be accessed via inbuilt API to further process for external reporting or risk management. QLean reports can be generated either manually or by schedule that gives you a set of daily, weekly or monthly snapshots of your QRadar state. To review reports, you can either use the interactive user interface, which is integrated with QRadar interface and has many drill down functions, or you can download an XLS file and use all the power of Excel spreadsheets, such as filtering, sorting, calculations, printing, and so on. Both views contain the same data and have convenient navigation and layout. In the user interface, the most important and frequently used metrics are grouped at the top. For example, the first three metrics show the quality of data received from your log sources, namely the distribution of events between categories, percentage of unknown events, and data coming from unrecognized sources. By clicking on a specific log source, IP address or category name, you can drill down to the list of corresponding events to check their content. Using these metrics, you can define the DSMs that need to be updated or customized, or find specific log source instances that are not supported or not configured properly. The offense analysis metric is an alternative view on correlation. Its primary purpose is fine-tuning your rules, but it can also be used for incident investigation. Here we start from a rule as a root cause of offences, can review the logic, the list of offences, see the mapper values, and of course drill down to any entity you might need. These two metrics show the real amount of incoming log and flow data, showing how average and peak values change over time and whether they exceed license limits. It helps to visualize spikes and gaps, reconsider license allocation between event processes, or moving some EPS expensive logs to a less loaded managed host, and so on. QLean provides a convenient list of log sources with all useful parameters for review, troubleshooting, or configuration. QLean has a bunch of basic KPI metrics to assess how good your team's processes are in incident response. If it doesn't fit your needs, we create custom metrics based on customer requests, not just for KPIs, but any others you might need. The next set of metrics helps to check some areas that QRadar users might overlook when configuring their deployment. QLean has a list of building blocks that are not configured according to the actual environment and only contain generic placeholders. The same goes for the network hierarchy, which also might be left with default settings and therefore prevents related rules, searches and reports from showing proper information. And a whole bunch of other stuff around other areas of QRadar performance, correlation and environment. All metrics are thoroughly described in the user's documentation, and we also have a sample XLS report with notes for specific points of interest so that you can understand the meaning of each metric and how it could be used in your case. QLean can be configured to send XLS reports to your email. From the configuration window, you can also run it manually, schedule whatever period you need. Multiple parameters allow you to configure QLean for either quick daily assessments or complete weekly reports. The latest version of QLean, along with the administration guide, metrics description, and a sample report, is always available at QLean.io. Get your fully functional 3-day trial license for free by simply filling out the form. Or contact us at QLean@sciencesoft.com to request a live demo, extended trial, or start a proof of concept project. Thanks for your attention.